How to generate maintenance recurring bill. At first need to make sure the customer detail. The build-up square feet is same calculation with shared unit. Here you can put the unique unit price for the specific customer also. Next, you will need to make sure you already add the maintenance sinking fund and services charge detail. After that, generate the maintenance recurring template at sales quotation. Create the description for your invoice. After all done, select the maintenance sinking fund and services charge. Tick if that charges you using square feet or shared unit to calculate. Tick if that charges you using the preset unit price in maintain customer. Remember, type select maintenance and report select maintenance report if have. Click generate bill and click OK to post bill. As you can see, the unit price is follow the preset in maintain customer. Thanks for watching.